Good day, viewers. Welcome to my biology class powered by Doveland Impact. In my last video, I considered the topic pollination in plants. Just as I promised in the last video, in this video, I shall be dealing with agents of pollination. Agents of pollination. Please stay tuned. As a means of introduction, I shall be defining what agents of pollination are. What are agents of pollination? Agents of pollination or pollinators are organisms or agents that cause the transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of flowers. These pollinators can be involved in both self-pollination and cross-pollination. They can be involved in both self-pollination and cross-pollination. Now we are considering agents of pollination, and they are divided into two parts. We have the abiotic agents and the biotic agents. We have the abiotic agents and the biotic agents. The abiotic agents are the non-living agents that bring about pollination. These include wind, which blows pollen grains produced by the stamen of a flower to the stigma of same or another flower. The second abiotic agent of pollination is water. Water, which could be stream, river, spring, and the likes. These water bodies carry pollen grains from one aquatic plant to another in order to ensure the continuity of plant life. However, biotic agents are living agents such as animals that transfer pollens from plants to plants through their activities. Such animals include mammals such as human beings, bats, cattle, monkey, among others. Reptiles such as lizard, gecko, and tortoise. Birds also are animals that ensure pollination. Apart from birds, we also have several insects such as butterfly, bee, Drosophila, and the likes. All these animals ensure the pollination of plants. Now we will be considering types of flowers with respect to pollination. Types of flowers with respect to pollination. Number one, we have entomophilous flowers. Entomophilous flowers. Examples of such flowers are flamboyant, sunflower, 4 o'clock plant, hibiscus, rose flower, passion flower, and others. Number 2, anemophilous flowers. Anemophilous flowers. These flowers are known also as wind-pollinated flowers. While we considered entomophilous flowers as insect-pollinated flowers, we consider anemophilous flowers as wind-pollinated flowers. And examples of such flowers, we have sorghum, millet, maize, wheat, barley, oats, among others. Number 3, we have hydrophilous flowers. Hydrophilous flowers. These are flowers that are pollinated by water. That is, water is an agent of pollination that makes pollination possible in these flowers. Examples of hydrophilous flowers are hydrilla, zostera, which is also called seagrass, vallisneria is also another example of hydrophilous flowers. Number 4, we have zoophilous flowers. From the word zoo, we have animals, so which means zoophilous flowers are flowers that are pollinated by animals. And examples of such flowers, we have bougainvillea, silk cotton, butterbrush, among others. Note: of all the types of flowers, cross-pollination commonly takes place in 2, namely entomophilous flowers, that is, insect-pollinated flowers, and anemophilous flowers, that is, wind-pollinated flowers. However, evolution suggests that anemophily as a mode of pollination began in gymnosperms. Anemophily as a mode of pollination began in gymnosperms. That's what evolution has to say. Now let's go over the differences between insect-pollinated flowers and wind-pollinated flowers. For insect-pollinated flowers, the flowers are conspicuous. That is, the flowers are easily seen. While for wind-pollinated flowers, the flowers are inconspicuous. That is, they are usually small and not easily seen. Number 2, insect-pollinated flowers has petals that are brightly colored, while wind-pollinated flowers has petals that are usually dull. Under insect-pollinated flowers, scent is usually produced in insect-pollinated flowers, while for wind-pollinated flowers, scent is absent. Nectar is present in insect-pollinated flowers. In wind-pollinated flowers, nectar is absent. So which means in insect-pollinated flowers usually produce nectar, which is a fluid substance in the plant, while wind-pollinated flowers do not produce nectar. Number 5, pollen in insect-pollinated flowers. Pollens are usually sticky, heavy, and rough-edged, while in wind-pollinated flowers, pollens are usually dry, light, and smooth. Number 6, the surface of stigma is sticky, broad, or rounded in insect-pollinated flowers, while in wind-pollinated flowers, stigma is usually large and feathery. Thank you for viewing this video, and I would like you to look forward to watching more videos from this channel. Thank you. Also, to have quick access to new videos released, do like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. You can also share the link to this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.